Hello guys, I haven't posted in a while. Today we're going to react to Boeing Starliner's launch. It is currently live. We got 30 seconds left on the countdown.
30 seconds.
Centaur at flight present.
The Alice 5 is about to launch for the second time with the Boeing Starliner.
All systems are go for liftoff.
Go Starliner. 10, 9,
Here we go.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
There we go.
And
There goes the
liftoff.
engines.
Starliner
There we go.
Back to space on the shoulders of Atlas, powered by a workforce dedicated to its success.
We have confirmation of a good MET epic timer on Starliner.
I haven't watched an Atlas 5 launch in so long. But now I can revive those memories. Jesus. This video is only going to stop until main engine cutoff. Okay.
Right now, atmospheric forces are the highest.
But if I have more time, then we could go on to spacecraft separation. This video is going to end until spacecraft separation.
Mach 1, Alice 5 and Starliner are now supersonic. Vehicle now throttling up.
Up next in about 20 seconds, Starliner's 2 solid rocket boosters will run out of fuel and burn out.
And we have burnout on both SRBs.
Good crew module forward link connection.
Humanity is throttling back up to full thrust.
Now that we pass the solid rocket booster burnout, you'll soon see those 2 solid rocket boosters separate from the vehicle.
I changed the schedule, so the video is going to stop until solid booster separation. Just because I have more stuff to do here. Okay? That's why I haven't posted in a while.
Just one half of what it did at launch, burning propellant at a rate of 2,800 pounds per second.
There you go.
And we have indication of SRB jettison.
That's cool. Alright, that's it for my reaction of the liftoff, well, quote-unquote, liftoff and booster separation of Boeing Starliner's second launch. Bye-bye, everybody. See you in the next video.